everybody. Today I'm going to be counting down the top 5 scariest tornadoes that have ever touched down. Let's get into it. And one of you guys actually recommended Tornado Archive, so I am checking that out for the first time. I should stop talking and let's start it. Number 5. On May 7th, 2016, a group of storm chasers were chasing near Ray, Colorado when an EF2 touched down. It was approximately 440 yards wide and touched down on the side of the road, getting storm chasers an insane view. This tornado looks so bizarre up close as it is picking up dirt and picking up everything that it can in its path. On April 29th, 2022, an EF3 occurred in Andover, Kansas. This tornado touched down in the middle of town, and this drone footage is insane to see as it rips apart a neighborhood. Number 3. On May 9th, 2016, Sulphur, Oklahoma had a strong EF4. It was 1.76 miles wide, featured its own anticyclonic tornado, impact winds of above 210 miles per hour. Number 2. On April 9th, 2015, an EF4 occurred near Franklin Grove, Illinois. However, it completely hit the town of Fairdale, leaving a path of destruction. I chose this tornado because it is an insane white cone, and a man even filmed a video of the tornado hitting his house. Number 1. You can't forget the unforgettable El Reno, Oklahoma tornado. It was extremely scary, as it touched down as a multi-vortex tornado when two of the multi-vortex tornadoes merged together. However, this wasn't the scariest part. The tornado grew to be one of the biggest tornadoes in recorded history, measuring 2.6 miles wide. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next time.